This series is brought to you by BIC. What is up, GoldieBlox? Welcome to Draw Her Life. I am a 17-year-old actress and the star of Tall Girl, Ava Michelle. I was born in Michigan, where it is super cold, and started dancing at age 2. My mom opened her own dance studio, which soon became my second home. At 5 years old, I competed in my first dance competition and ended my solo in a cartwheel. It was awesome. I auditioned for the TV show Dance Moms at age 10. I made the dance team and appeared on the show for 4 seasons. But as I got older, I started growing taller. And taller. And taller. And my height eventually got me kicked off Dance Moms. It was the first time I've ever felt too tall for anything. I never knew that being tall might be a problem for dance. I was really scared that all of my hard work that I had put in could all be for nothing, all because of something that I couldn't control or change about myself. It was a really tough thing for me to try to understand. Around the same time, my parents went through a really bad divorce. And it was really difficult for me and my mom. But afterwards, my mom and I packed up and moved to Los Angeles, where the weather is so much warmer, there's an ocean, and so many more opportunities. In LA, I went on acting auditions, and sadly, I ran into the same problem with my height. I wouldn't book roles because I was too tall. You know, I'm not sure why we try to fake an image of a world on a screen where everyone is the same height. People in the world are all different. One day, I got an audition for this Netflix movie called Tall Girl. It was the first audition that I wasn't scared to say 6'1" proudly in my audition. I got a callback, and on December 12th, I found out that I got it, and by January 15th, I was flying out to film. It changed my life to be on set for the first time. I fell in love with acting, and my dream role would be to do a dancing acting movie. I went on a press tour for Tall Girl, which was wild, and then the film was released, and people liked it, which was crazy. Being a girl in such a public space exposed me to tons of cyberbullying and hateful comments from people online at a very young age. And that is why I try to talk about my experiences so that other kids or people feel okay about themselves when they're different. And that is why I express the importance of self-love and let everyone know that it doesn't matter what other people say about you. It matters what you think of yourself. So just trust in who you are and things will work out in the end. Take a moment to draw your life with BIC. Find a variety of fun BIC products at Target.